Welcome to Trading Card Boss. Today we've got season 2010-2011 Match Attax trading cards. This one is just a normal packet. If you like to look at my other ones, we've got promotional packets on there, but I do enjoy going back in time and looking at the old cards. So this has got 465 cards to collect there. I think we'll get straight in there. This will only be a short video because I've got so many other videos coming out now about old school cards and obviously modern cards, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So let's get straight in there, see what we can find in there. So as you can see, bright green this season was, so we've got a really bright green back there, and Unwingy, Peter Unwingy, star signing card. So that's quite interesting. Nice little shiny to come in there. We got Samba from. See, on these ones the crest is on the back. On some of them you'll notice in my videos they put the name down the side. So this one was from Blackburn Rovers. So Jose Bosingwa, and he's from Chelsea. It's an interesting looking card, again different to other years. And then we've got Di Matteo, obviously Roberto Di Matteo of West Bromwich Albion. I think somewhere in Russia now, maybe. You might tell me differently in the comments box. And just got the manager on the back, and then we got Aaron Hughes, just a plain background, very interesting. They've gone this season for a very plain background from Fulham. And then we got David Jones from, is it Wolves? Yes, it's from Wolves. So again on the back just the green with the logo there. So there we go, that's 2010 2011 covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until next time, thank you.